Well, hello, Frag fam, man. It's BJ here, aka Big John. I hope you're doing well and you find this video in a good spirited mood. If this is your first time here, please consider clicking that like, clicking that subscribe. We have a frag party here all the time, and you know, we never want to leave you high and dry. We just want to leave you moisturized, and that's what it's all about. Today, we're going to do something that we've never done on this channel, and it really was never something I really ever intended to do on this channel, but, you know, what the hell? It's a Saturday afternoon. I got some new fragrances in, guys, and we got 5 fragrances, so we're going to do unboxings. I've already taken the plastic off of them, so we don't have to go through all that crunchy, nasty sound. So we're going to go through, and we're going to go ahead and start with the first one. This is a FLAVIA fragrance, and it's called NOIR, I guess is how you pronounce it. And this is a knockoff of Tom Ford's ombre leather, I believe is what it's called. Right here. Bottle even looks familiar, doesn't it? Now I'll tell you, I've got a lot of FLAVIA fragrances, and they're all good, and they project well. They're strong. They're probably going to be a good line to contend with here if they already aren't. Let's take a look at the Addy here and see, where is that Addy, man? God, where, there it is. It's all right, but I tell you what, it smells way better than Nashua. We did this Nashua the other day, and this is a way better leather fragrance. I can't handle that Nashua. That Nashua, as a matter of fact, if you want to buy it, just send me an email. I'll sell it to you cheap, man. I'm not going to wear it, the Nashua. It's not me, man. It's way too smoky. I put it on, and then when I did the review. The next morning, I put the shirt on. I couldn't even handle the shirt. It smelled like I was hanging out at a campfire all night long. I couldn't handle it, man. It was too much. So Nashua is not it. But look, FLAVIA leather. This one right here is awesome, man. It really is a great fragrance. The next one that we're going to bring up on our little thing here is this one. Where's it at? This one. It's called MAJESTIC KIRKE, and this is by a company called FALCONE, and that's the maker of this. And let's go ahead and open it. It's a pretty bottle, pretty nice presentation. You've probably seen it. Hold it like that. It is a strange beast because it's upside down. It sits like this, but then when you take it out, you can see the ad, and then you gotta flip it upside down. It smells great. It smells citrusy. It smells very good. It's a good Texas. Passion fruit, peach, pear, raspberry, cassis, sand, lily of valley, musk, sandalwood, vanilla, patchouli, and heliotrope in this one. And it smells really good. It's a unisex fragrance. I would definitely wear it in high heat for sure. Okay, what other one we got here? Oh, let's look at this one. We got this one, ASTEN. Now this is a shop right here that man, they make some pretty good fragrances. Again, they're like FLAVIA, ASTEN, and I've got a few ASTENs that I like. This one is a take on Jimmy Choo. How the hell do you open this thing? There we go. There's a take on Jimmy Choo, and this is it. It's in a reddish pink bottle, I guess. It smells good too. It smells very clean, soapy. Pressure Addy. Oh, nice Addy. It smells good. I would say it might lean a little bit more feminine, but I'm a big guy. I go feminine. I don't give a shit. I smell good. Once it hits my body and I get a little bit of my scent on it, it's gonna go musky anyways. So hey, there you go. That's it. Ooh, man, that smells really fresh and good. I really like the way that smells. Okay. So what do we got? Oh, here's one we got. Another shop that is turning out some really good fragrances. Grandeur, and this is a SAVIOUR, extract, and I guess you know what that is. Sauvage Elixir. It looks just like it. Let's see. Sauvage. There you go. And this one, it's got a magnetic cap, although it's not, I don't know, it's not a very strong magnet, but it is there. Crappy atomizer. Smells great though. Well, I don't give a shit about atomizers. I do like a pressure atomizer though. I like the misty. But this one smells great. Well worth the 20 bucks, man, or whatever. I think paid for it probably less than 20 bucks. So I got all 5 fragrances shipped to my house for less than $100, so less than $20 a box. These are. This one smells very good. It's my second favorite one, and I would definitely wear that. It's a high heat one, and this one I'm probably gonna wear tonight too. I'm gonna go see my friends play. We're rockers, old time rockers, and they got a band, and I'm not doing the band thing no more, man. But I go and support those guys once in a while, and they're good, man. They're real good. This one is called Together With You. This is a new twist on amber. That's an amber. Got some oud. It's very, very good. And this is my favorite one of the bunch. The top is plastic, but it fits tight, man. You can hear it. Just got a package delivery, guys, in Amazon, so hopefully it's another fragrance. Man, that one smells delicious, man. I'm gonna put a little bit on me because I'm wearing a fragrance that'll layer good with this. This is a man, this smells awesome. Okay, that's the one right there, guys. If you want one that's amber, very good. That's the one. So this is a. What is it called? Together With You. Yep, I think we do have a package because I hear the chime going off down there, so we have some movement out there in front of the house. So, hey, we might have some more fragrances. But there you go, guys, an unboxing. Something I really didn't want to do on this channel too much. I just wanted to do reviews and actual, well, I don't know, mini commercials, I guess what they are. So, all right, guys, that's it. Just a wrap on this sensational unboxing. I don't know what else to call it. If you're ready to conquer your day, man, try one of these fragrances out. I would definitely give this one a shot, though. This one's hot, man. It's really good. And remember, if you're new to this channel, please click subscribe. Please click like, because hey, we're getting up there in subscribers, man. We've only been on this platform for 1 month, and we're gaining 1 subscriber a day. Man, I'd really be happy if I could get 2 or 3 a day. That'd be great. I got tons of fragrances, and I just got these 5 to add to my 100+ bottles of collection over there, and got a lot more reviews to do, and maybe some more unboxings, and I don't know. We'll see where we go from here. We're definitely going to continue doing the little videos because I like those. And hey, until next time, remember to hug somebody you love, because you may never get another chance. We'll see you again next time, guys. Be cool. Peace.